Hello, my wonderful English learners. Welcome back. So many of you tell me, I can understand English perfectly, but when I try to speak, the words just do not come out. If that sounds like you, do not worry. It just means your brain knows English, but your mouth has not practiced it enough yet. Today, we change that. We are going to train your speaking muscles. No grammar rules, no writing, just simple, focused speaking practice. Here's how it works. I will say a simple, positive sentence. You will look at the subtitles on the screen, listen to my rhythm, and then repeat after me out loud. Yes, out loud. Even if you are alone in your room, we will repeat each sentence 3 times. Let us begin our daily speaking habit. I start my day with positive energy. Repeat. I start my day with positive energy. Again. I start my day with positive energy. One more time. I start my day with positive energy. Excellent. I am ready to learn something new. Repeat. I am ready to learn something new. Again. I am ready to learn something new. One more time. I am ready to learn something new. Great job. Keep your voice clear. Every word I speak makes me better. Repeat. Every word I speak makes me better. Again, every word I speak makes me better. One more time. Every word I speak makes me better. Perfect. Let us continue. I practice English every single day. Repeat. I practice English every single day. Again. I practice English every single day. One more time. I practice English every single day. Nice. Consistency is your superpower. I learn new words every single week. Repeat. I learn new words every single week. Again. I learn new words every single week. One more time. I learn new words every single week. Excellent. Keep expanding your mind. I listen, I repeat, and I learn. Repeat. I listen, I repeat, and I learn. Again. I listen, I repeat, and I learn. One more time. I listen, I repeat, and I learn. Great. That is the perfect rhythm. I am not afraid to make a sound. Repeat. I am not afraid to make a sound. Again. I am not afraid to make a sound. One more time. I am not afraid to make a sound. Wonderful. Do not be shy. Use your voice. My English is improving step by step. Repeat. My English is improving step by step. Again. My English is improving step by step. One more time. My English is improving step by step. Brilliant. Small steps lead to big results. My vocabulary is growing every day. Repeat. My vocabulary is growing every day. Again. My vocabulary is growing every day. One more time. My vocabulary is growing every day. Beautiful. Small words make big sentences. I speak English slowly and clearly. Repeat. I speak English slowly and clearly. Again. I speak English slowly and clearly. One more time. I speak English slowly and clearly. Great. Remember, speaking fast is not the goal. Speaking clearly is. I enjoy practicing my speaking skills. Repeat. I enjoy practicing my speaking skills. Again. I enjoy practicing my speaking skills. One more time. I enjoy practicing my speaking skills. Awesome. Learning should be fun. I feel happy when I speak English. Repeat. I feel happy when I speak English. Again. I feel happy when I speak English. One more time. I feel happy when I speak English. Wonderful. Enjoy your progress. I focus on my own journey. Repeat. I focus on my own journey. Again. I focus on my own journey. One more time. I focus on my own journey. Excellent. Never compare yourself to others. Every sentence I speak is a victory. Repeat. Every sentence I speak is a victory. Again. Every sentence I speak is a victory. One more time. Every sentence I speak is a victory. Yes, celebrate your wins today. I am training my brain to think in English. Repeat. I am training my brain to think in English. Again. I am training my brain to think in English. One more time. I am training my brain to think in English. Very good. You are rewiring your mind. I am building a strong speaking habit. Repeat. I am building a strong speaking habit. Again, I am building a strong speaking habit. One more time. I am building a strong speaking habit. Good work. Habits create success. I do not need to translate in my head. Repeat. I do not need to translate in my head. Again. I do not need to translate in my head. One more time. I do not need to translate in my head. Perfect. Just feel the language. Speaking English is becoming easier for me. Repeat. Speaking English is becoming easier for me. Again. Speaking English is becoming easier for me. One more time. Speaking English is becoming easier for me. Nice work. Practice makes it easy. Making mistakes is part of learning. Repeat. Making mistakes is part of learning. Again, making mistakes is part of learning. One more time. Making mistakes is part of learning. That is right. Mistakes make you smarter. I am ready to talk to the world. Repeat. I am ready to talk to the world. Again. I am ready to talk to the world. One more time. I am ready to talk to the world. Awesome. The world wants to hear you. I am patient with my progress. Repeat. I am patient with my progress. Again. I am patient with my progress. One more time. I am patient with my progress. Perfect. Take your time. I have the power to change my future. Repeat. I have the power to change my future. Again. I have the power to change my future. One more time. I have the power to change my future. Brilliant. You are in control. I choose to speak with confidence. Repeat. I choose to speak with confidence. Again. I choose to speak with confidence. One more time. I choose to speak with confidence. Beautiful. Your voice matters. I am proud of myself for trying today. Repeat. I am proud of myself for trying today. Again. I am proud of myself for trying today. One more time. I am proud of myself for trying today. Amazing work. Take a second to feel proud of yourself. If you actually spoke out loud with me today, you just took a massive step forward. Remember, fluency does not happen overnight. It is not magic. It is built sentence by sentence, practice by practice, day by day. 5 minutes of actually using your voice is much more powerful than 2 hours of silently watching a movie. If you completed today's practice, I want you to go down to the comments right now and write, "I spoke today." Do it for yourself. It is your way of promising yourself that you are committed to your English journey.